On automation in cybersecurity. Introduction. Objective. By the end of this lecture, you will understand the critical role of automation in modern cybersecurity. Identify key tools SIEM, IDPS, EDR SOAR, and their functions. Evaluate the benefits, challenges, and ethical implications of automation. Explore future trends like AI or ML integration and IoT security. Why automation? Cyber threats are growing exponentially in volume and sophistication. Manual processes are no longer sufficient due to speed. Attacks occur in milliseconds. Humans can't react fast enough. Scale. Enterprises generate terabytes of security data daily. Complexity. Advanced threats, e.g., zero-day exploits, evade traditional defenses. Key tools and technologies. 1. Security Information and Event Management (SIEM). Purpose: centralized log collection, correlation, and real-time analysis. How it works: data collection, aggregates logs from firewalls, servers, etc. Normalization, converts data into a standard format. Correlation, identifies patterns, e.g., multiple failed logins equals brute force attack. Alerting, notifies analysts of potential threats. Examples: IBM QRadar uses ML for threat detection. Splunk, real-time analytics plus automated IR workflows. Wazoo, open-source SIEM with intrusion detection. Code example: log analysis using Python. Explanation: reads a log file and filters out entries that contain failed login. Helps security teams detect brute force attacks. Challenge: alert fatigue, too many false positives. 2. Intrusion detection / prevention systems (IDPS). Types: network-based, NIDS / NIPS monitors traffic for anomalies. Host-based, HIDS / HIPS protects individual devices. Key feature: blocks malicious traffic in real time, e.g., SQL injection attempts. Example: Snort, open source NIDS. Code example: basic packet sniffer using SCAPI. Explanation: uses SCAPI to sniff network packets. Checks for TCP packets with the SYN flag, common in TCP handshake and potential SYN flood attacks. Prints a warning if a suspicious packet is detected. 3. Endpoint detection and response (EDR). Purpose: monitors endpoints, laptops, servers, for suspicious activity. Capabilities: behavioral analysis, e.g., detecting ransomware encryption. Automated quarantine of infected devices. Example: CrowdStrike Falcon uses AI to hunt threats. 4. Security orchestration, automation, and response (SOAR). Role: automates IR workflows, e.g., ticketing, threat containment. Example: Palo Alto Cortex XSOAR, formerly Demisto. Code example: automating incident response with Python. Explanation: sends an automated incident report to a ticketing system. Uses requests to make a post request with a security alert. Helps automate response workflows in SOAR platforms. Benefits of automation: speed, real-time threat detection and response. Scalability: handles large datasets effortlessly. Accuracy: reduces human error in repetitive tasks. Compliance: auto-generates audit reports for regulations like GDPR. Challenges and ethical considerations. Challenges: false positives/negatives, over-alerting or missing real threats. Complexity: requires skilled staff to configure tools like SIEM. Over-reliance: humans must oversee AI-driven decisions. Ethical issues. Privacy: balancing surveillance with user consent. Bias: ensuring algorithms don't discriminate, e.g., flagging certain IP ranges unfairly. Transparency: explaining automated decisions, e.g., why an action was blocked. Future trends. AI or ML integration, smarter threat prediction, e.g., detecting 0 days. IoT security, automating protection for smart devices. Cloud-native automation, embedding security in DevOps pipelines. Summary and key takeaways. Automation is essential to combat modern threats. SIEM, IDPS, EDR, and SOAR are foundational tools. Pros: speed, scalability, accuracy. Cons: false alerts, complexity. Ethics matter, privacy, bias, and transparency are critical. Future: AI-driven automation will dominate cybersecurity.